I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get accepted into Roblox UGC. First, you'll need to understand the program's requirements, which focus on experienced 3D modelers. Next, develop a strong portfolio that truly showcases your best work and creativity. Make sure your creations are original and align perfectly with Roblox's community standards and guidelines. This initial preparation is crucial for a successful application. When building your portfolio, focus on quality over quantity. Include several high-quality 3D models, complete with clear textures and proper rigging. Show a diverse range of items, such as hats, shoulder accessories, or even unique gear, to highlight your versatility. Each piece should have a detailed description explaining your design process and technical skills. Aim for at least 5 to 7 strong examples. Once your portfolio is ready, navigate to the official Roblox UGC application portal. Carefully fill out the application form, ensuring all information is accurate and complete. You'll need to provide a link to your portfolio, so make sure it's easily accessible. Double-check everything before submitting, as incomplete applications may be overlooked. Patience is key after submission, as review times can vary. After submitting your application, continue to hone your 3D modeling skills and create new content. Engaging with the Roblox developer community can provide valuable feedback and networking opportunities. Remember, the UGC program is highly competitive, and acceptance is not guaranteed on the first try. If you aren't accepted immediately, review your portfolio, refine your skills, and consider reapplying in the future. Persistence often pays off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.